डांस करेंगे। आज तो डांस होगा दुबई में।
ये चैंपियंस की टीम है, ये चैंपियन टीम दराल के बाद आईसीसी ओडीआई ट्रॉफी की जो पे इनके आसपास कोई लगा ही नहीं है। वो लोग कह रहे थे ही इज नॉट इम्प्रेसिव। वो लगातार टूर्नामेंट विराट कोहली, वो लोगों ने पूछना शुरू किया था कि 4 आईसीसी ट्रॉफीज है। कमाल राहुल, लाजवाब राहुल। वो 19 नवंबर
मजेदार लम्हे रविंद्र जडेजा ये वही ये जब भी वाह ये है ना ये लम्हे जिसके लिए खिलाड़ी जीता है का नाम रोशन किया ये खिलाड़ी। वरुण चक्रवर्ती की भारत की जिनकी कंट्रीब्यूशन बहुत बड़ी रही है इस टूर्नामेंट में। एक के बाद
चल रहा है रुकेगा वो खेले। और ये भारत की टीम है, ये वोट ऑफ विक्ट्री बजुबा।
तो रोको, भारत है सबसे ऊपर, हमारी शान है। हमने ये क्या है, वाह भाई, सैल्यूट है सारे खिलाड़ियों को।
इस टीम की जय जयकार है, गुणगान है, लगातार मुकाबले जीतते रहना। आउट होते हैं पर श्रेयस संभालते हैं, 48 बनाते हैं, अक्षर के उन्नत।
I don't think I can say this on camera, but I was shitting myself at the end. But yeah, we still had a couple of battles to come, so yeah, I was confident that we could games. It's more about holding your composure. Yeah, happy to win this time.
You've been in this situation a couple of times in the tournament already.
I think I've batted in times like this in 3 out of the 5 games, and one of the games I didn't get to bat at all against up, and where we've had to face a lot of challenges. We've had to face pressure, held the bat, and from the time we decided to
होते हैं वहाँ पे।
ये मेरा नंबर ऐसा है कि कभी हीरो या कभी जीरो बनने का चांस होता है, बट लकीली ने हार्दिक और केएल ने लास्ट 10 ओवर में अच्छा पार्टनरशिप किया। क्योंकि इतना इजी नहीं था रन निकालना, इतना इजी नहीं था नए बैट्समैन के लिए। बट वो जो हार्दिक और केएल ने छोटा सा पार्टनरशिप है कि इंडिया के लिए आप खेल रहे हो और चैंपियंस ट्रॉफी जीत रहे हो और आप वो टीम के हिस्से हो, तो मेरे ख्याल से वो बहुत बड़ी बात है। क्योंकि इतने साल के क्रिकेट खेलने के बाद अगर आप कोई बड़ा टूर्नामेंट नहीं जीत पा रहे हो तो आपको कहीं ना
win, and especially Champions Trophy. I remember 2017 very closely to my heart. We could not finish the job that time, but very, very pleased with the way we have played throughout the tournament, and at the same point of time, how everyone.
Feeling ecstatic, to be honest. It's ineffable and hard to say it in words, to be honest. This is my first ICC trophy, and I'm kind of overwhelmed looking at each and every one in the dressing room, the way we've turned up towards this tournament and the way we progressed. It was simply magnificent.
There was a calmness about to me to take India deep.
To be honest, I love to go under pressure whenever there's challenge. I feel I thrive under pressure, and it's just that I've been getting amazing starts in the tournament and not able to get a...
Nicely done. How have you enjoyed the tournament? I know you missed the first 2 games.
Yeah, it was a sudden inclusion, and I didn't expect it to turn out like this, and it's a dream come true. Yeah, it was good because the first innings the spin was less, and we had to be very disciplined and stick to the stumps. Yeah.
बिल्कुल क्रेडिट गोस टू केएल भाई एंड जड्डू भाई टू फिनिशिंग द गेम।
कैसे महसूस होता है, क्योंकि इतनी बड़ी टूर्नामेंट, फुल हाउस है, कुछ खास लग रहा होगा अंदर से?
बिल्कुल, एक्सपेक्टेशंस बहुत रहती है जब आप बहुत अच्छी क्रिकेट खेल रहे हो ओवर द इयर्स। तो आप जब जाते हो टूर्नामेंट में, मैं बिलीव नहीं करता हूँ फेवरेट्स पे टैग पे, बट बिल्कुल अच्छी क्रिकेट ओवर द लास्ट फ्यू ईयर्स हम खेल रहे हैं। और जिस तरह से एक्सपेक्टेशंस फैंस की है हमारे, तो मैं उनको ये हमारी तरफ से ये जीत उनको, और जिस तरह से हमने एक गेम पूरा टूर्नामेंट खेला है।
4 स्पिनर, सबका अलग अलग रोल था। आपको ऐसा लगा कि नहीं मुझे जल्दी जाके विकेटें लेनी है पहले?
नहीं, बिल्कुल है, बहुत मुश्किल है मैनेज करना। बहुत इजी है बोलना कि 4 स्पिनर से एक टीम में खेल रहे हैं, बट बहुत मुश्किल है 4 स्पिनर को मैनेज करना फील्ड पे। और जिस तरह से रोहित भाई ने मैनेज किया वो बहुत अच्छा था, बहुत मुझे लगता है, क्योंकि
बैट्समैन को रीड करना और किस सिचुएशन में कौन बैटिंग करने आएगा, फिर किस तरह से किसको बॉल पे लगाना है, तो वो प्लानिंग थी। मतलब ऐसा नहीं कि आज की प्लानिंग है, 2-3 दिन से प्लानिंग कर रहे थे कि हाँ जो उनका बैटिंग लाइनअप है।
पार्टी है शाम को, तो बड़ी पार्टी।
बिल्कुल बनती है पार्टी और पूरा इंडिया पार्टी करेगा आज।
क्यों नहीं? वेल प्लेड टुडे।
For the most time I was just sitting back and enjoy Rohit Bhai's batting, but I think we kept talking to each other and the partner.
Now this one, how nice of you to be part of the senior team. And
Very satisfying, we missed out on the last one that we played in 23 and a surreal feeling to be able to win this one.
what are you learning of this, man? Well, it's been amazing. Firstly, we wanted to bounce back after a tough Australia tour, wanted to win a big tournament, and we ended up doing that. So it's an amazing feeling. Lovely playing with a bunch of such amazing youngsters. So much talent in the change room, and they're taking Indian cricket forward in the right direction. And we're only happy to help. Share our experience and try to make an impact whenever we get a chance. But yeah, these guys are stepping up in a massive way, and that's why such a strong team. How much of an impact is he making?
Watching him to watch, and I think it tells us what the game is all about, giving his everything, and but even off the field as well. Give your everything when you're playing on the field, and for him to be able to back his words like that is just phenomenal.
Is this the sort of thing that still spells? And it's only a collective effort that can win you a title. And I'm just so happy that we were able to play as a unit. Just really amazing time as a team.
And playing against them is always a challenge. We know that they're gonna give it their all. Whether be tonight wasn't that easy chase for us, and credit to them, the way they come out and play consistent cricket.
I know you've got a long history with some of the New Zealand players, Kane in particular. Sad to see him not
On a ball, and you can sense it, because they know. Credit to them, they've been probably the most consistent team in the last few years in big tournaments.
रोज सुपर हिट शर्मा कप्तान चला, सीना तान बना दिए 76 और उनसे करेंगे हम बात।
And indeed, absolutely no doubt about who the player of the match is going to be. The award will be presented by Mr. Khalid Al-Zamil Sharma for his innings of 76 of 83 balls. Rohit, I hope you can hear me with all the in this game. Over the last two ODI campaigns, you've been a different batter than you were earlier on. Is this something you wanted from the side? Is this something you were very comfortable with? Is it something that you thought was needed?
Yeah, look, it's obviously not natural to me, but it is something I really wanted to do. And obviously, when you're trying to do something different, you need the back.
This shot is on. A bit
In how I wanted to execute that first 5-6 overs, I've gotten out doing that as well, but I never wanted to look away from that. Results obviously is not going to be consistent in what I'm trying to achieve, but as long as it serves the purpose of the team, it serves the purpose of to do. I'm happy with that.
Does the dip century opening partnership in a 250 run chase? Well played, Rohit Sharma.